Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and let me show you how to change the language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, let's open the list of all apps, choose here settings. From the following list of settings, let's find and select the general management, choose here language and input, the first option, tab language, and as you can see here you've got your list of current language. Here if you would like to change and add some other language, let's choose add language. For example, let me use here the Espanol. From the Colombia, for example, tab set as default, and as you can see right now the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to the previous version, just find and select Ajustes, scroll down, choose Administración General, choose Idioma y Entrada, tab Idioma, and now let's place English into the first position, tap Aplicar, and that's it. Now you can use the English version of your device. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.